Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is distributive property. So let's get started. So this is also known as creative property. So first we will check for addition. So let's I have taken here example. So 2 into 3 plus 2 in bracket 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 2. So 2 so 3 plus 2 is 5. So 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into 3 is 6. 2 twos are 4. And then 2 plus 5 is 10. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So therefore 10 is equal to 10. So therefore we can say that distributive property of multiplication can be closed under addition. Next, let us check for subtraction. So 2 into bracket 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 6 minus 4. So 2 into 1 is 2. 6 minus 4 is also 2. So therefore we can say that distributive property of multiplication can be closed under subtraction. Let's move on to division. Now 2 into 4 divided by 2 is not equal to 2 into 4 divided by 2 into 2. Now why it is not equal, we will see further. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 into 2 is not equal to 8, which is 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So 4 can never be equal to 2. That's why we can say that distributive property of multiplication cannot be closed under division. Let's move on. Now let's solve a question. So here minus 3 into in bracket 4 plus 6. So first we need to solve this equation. So uh, over here minus 3 into 4 plus we'll add a bracket over here. So minus 3 into 4 plus in bracket minus 3 into 6, which is minus 12 minus 18, which is equal to minus 30. Now we'll go through the options. So minus 3 into 10 is minus 30. B option is the same equation we solved over here. Okay, we don't need to go through that. Then C is directly minus 30. So obviously that cannot be the answer. Now the only option left is D. So that will be the answer. Still we can check. So minus 3 into 4 is equal to uh, minus 12 into 6, which is equal to minus 72, which is not equal to 30. Let's solve another question. Now remember I was saying this is also can be called creative property. Now let us see why. Okay, so here we have to solve 7 into 105, and this might be time taking for some of us. So I will tell you a shorter way how to solve these type of thing. So you have to see how can I break this question. So this can be broke by this distributive property. So here I have broken down 105 into 105, 100 plus 5 I have broken it down, and 7 I have kept outside in bracket. So this is directly equal to 7 into 105. Either you write it this way or you write it this way, but here we have broken it down. So let us see how we can solve this further. I'll just erase this. So here we have to solve like, yes, so 7 into 100 is 700, and 7 into 5 is 35. So 700 plus 35 is equal to 735. See how quickly we could solve. So we have to look for opportunities where we can do these type of things. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like.